Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add new page on your Google Docs file on mobile. I'm going to open the Google Docs app on my phone, and then if you want to add a new page into your file, just go to the file that you want to add a new page, and then click on the edit option here by clicking the pencil icon at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to change the layout first into the print layout. Just click on this, and then if you want to add a new page, for example, just place the cursor into the end of the page that you want to add the new page, and then click on the plus icon at the top and scroll down until you find this page break option. Just click on that, and there, just like that, the new page has been added into your file. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can add a new page into your Google Docs file on your mobile phone. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel for more contents. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.